This is Maddie's first time in big girl shoes. Maddie, how about those shoes? Oh, did you fall down together? Show me. Let her stand up. Say stand up. Okay. Turn her this way, Kenna. Alright, can you let her go over hands and see if she can walk on her own now? Let go. Maddie. Oh, she wants to hold hands. Maddie. Go give her a kiss. Can she have a kiss, McKenna? She don't want to fall down. Madeline, show me your shoes, Madeline. Shoes. All right. Well, I thought we'd have tears, and we just have happiness. And the beach balls have been a big hit today.